friends, it's Vishali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful Dreamcatcher Rakhi on this Rakshabandhan. For this, you're going to need a key ring. So I hope you guys already have this. You're going to need a yarn or any thread that you have. And the very first thing that we need to do here is to make a knot on ring with this yarn like this. Now we are going to wrap this thread around this ring like this. So this process is actually time consuming, so it takes a little bit of your time, but it's actually fun to do. So this is how this ring going to look after wrapping it. So here we need to make a knot, a closing knot. Cut the extra threads, and here you can use fabric glue to secure the knot. Now take 4 strands of thread which are around 9 inches long. Here I attached this red and yellow thread, but later I removed it as I didn't like it. So now you need to make such knot to attach this thread with ring. So this is how I'm making this. Take another thread with needle attached to it, and here you need some beads also. So these are yellow beads that I'm going to use. So first we need to make such knot. I'm attaching this thread with ring like this. Now insert 2 beads. Then you need to pass the needle through this ring like this, and then the same needle through this bead. This way the first loop is now ready. We need to repeat the process. So here again I'm inserting a bead like this, then passing the needle through ring and then through the bead. So this way you need to complete the circle. Once the circle is complete, pass the needle through first bead, and then we need to start with the second circle. For second circle you need to follow this pattern. So I'll show you guys how I did this. Here, as you see, I'm passing this needle through the loop between 2 beads. Same way you need to follow this pattern until you reach in the middle. Here attach a golden bead and make a closing knot. Cut the thread and secure it with fabric glue. Now take a wire and attach it with these 4 threads, and then we need to insert beads. So this is the bead that I'm going to insert through this. you see that I have secured the one end of Rakhi to the board, and now we will weave another end. So for this, take the outer right string and place it on top of the two middle strings. Then take left outer string and place it on top of outer left string. Now pass this left outer thread underneath the middle strings. Pull the thread from loop and now pull this knot and move the knot towards the ring. Here you need to repeat everything the opposite side, like the first you are taking strings from the left outer corner and then from the right outer corner. Repeat the same process till the desired length and then make a closing knot. Cut the extra threads and then secure it with fabric glue. Weave same way for another side and then your Dreamcatcher Rakhi is ready. This Dreamcatcher Rakhi is pretty easy to make. It just requires a little bit of time, but it's really a fun to make. So on this Rakshabandhan, convey your love and wishes with this handmade Dreamcatcher Rakhi, and I'm really sure that your brother is going to love this. So this would be a really great gesture to wish them on this Rakshabandhan. Make Rakhis for them and enjoy the celebration. And I wish all the lovely brothers and sisters a very happy Rakshabandhan. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do so, then give this video a thumbs up. Let me know by your comments, the feedback, how do you like it. And if you're new to this channel, do consider subscribing my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.